understand the secret. It took me 5 years, but to explain you, it's 5 minutes. In 5 minutes I can explain you the secret. And I will explain you how it works in the DVD 5,000 euro. One reason why I'm telling you is that casino knows if you are a professional gambler or not. Because of that, you need to cash out between 2,000 to 3,000 euro from any casino any 3 weeks, 1 month. So any month you cash out 3,000 euro from a casino. Until you're gonna win between 40 to 60,000 euro, they will ban you. But you need to do this process to cash out every 1 month 3,000 euro. And like that you will not be discovered about casinos. It's very important to know this conclusion. Don't give the secret to nobody. What I'm telling you is that if you gave you the secret to a friend of you, this is not a problem. The problem is that casinos works right now and send you messages. If they see that you win money from their casinos, they try to friendship with you from your email, and they asking you if you have a secret, if you have a strategy about roulette. Now if you don't know that person, don't tell that you have a secret, because if you tell that you have a secret, he might ban you on the casino, because casinos knows there is a secret to beat roulette, but they don't know who knows the secret. So because 99.9 makes so much money, lose so much money, it's obvious that they are not so bothered about 1% who win money. So don't give the secret to nobody, or if you give to somebody, be careful that is your friend or is somebody you know. But on the internet, don't give the secret to nobody, because you might risk that they will ban you from the internet. Don't tell to somebody that you have the secret. Tell them that you are playing like that, the game of chess. Try to take my advices and you will make money from casinos. Now I'm telling you that my money I've invested in luxury apartments. Now I'm suggesting you to invest your money in more knowledge to become rich, to study psychological books, to study business books, to study more and more knowledge, trainings after trainings, to become richer. Even if you start to make money from casinos, don't stop yourself on that level. Go and grow to the next level and the next level. Okay, let's talk about questions and discussion. You can contact me on roulettehowtowin.com and we can chat on the chat box which I have on the website. Or if you want to video call me and talk with me and know me better, come to Skype. RegRule is my ID. On Skype it's much better. I can send you to the program better. It's a downloadable link, so I will not send you a DVD. I will send you a link to download the DVD. It's very simple. Or you can email me on this email you see in this tutorial, or you can find in my info video, so you'll find in the bar of this video. I hope you enjoy it, and I wait you inside members area. Bye bye.